grows quiet and fear takes the floor, it's easy to whisper what they all adore. But silence burns deeper than a word unkind when you've got truth living inside your mind. በዝምታ ውስጥ የእውነት እዚህ ጆሃል አትፍራ እውነት ባንተ ይኖራል True still cost of hiding what's real The weight of the words we never reveal When you have something to say, silence is a lie Let the truth rise up, let the falsehood die Speak the fire, even if it shakes your ground Cause truth will let go when no one's around ዝምታ ቢኖር እንኳን እንደ ጸጥታ ውስጥ ግን ድምፅ የሚነካ Be precise in your speech, let your meaning be clear Don't drown your voice in the tide of fear Adventure waits in the courage to stand To speak what's right with an open hand ቃልህን አትፍ አትደብ አትፈራ ቃልህ እንደ እሳት በጨለማ ይበራ አትፍራ አንተ የእውነት ልጅ Don't fear, don't fear When you have something to say, silence is a lie Let the truth rise up, let the falsehood die You're free to ignore what your heart knows is real But the world won't bend to how you feel Oh, you are free to ignore reality's call But the fall will come, it comes to us all So speak it out, even trembling, even small For truth once spoken can conquer all እውነት አንድ ጊዜ ተናገረች እንደ እሳት ትበራ Once truth is spoken, it burns like fire When you have something to say, silence is a lie Let your soul be the voice that can't comply If you tell the truth and nothing more Your life becomes an open door እውነት ንገር ብቻውን እንዲሁም ሕይወት ትበራ Say it loud, say it clear The truth is the song the brave will hear እውነት የደፋር ዘፈን ነው